Every day is a brand new day. Through all adventures and challenges encountered in your journey, MiVue accompanies you and keeps you safe all the way. At MiVue, the world's leading brand of dashboard camera, it's all about you. From Taiwan to the world, our laboratories are all professionally certified. We belong to the MiTech Synex Group with our R&D headquarters based in Taiwan's Huaya Technology Park. MiVue dashcams are 100% designed by engineers in Taiwan. And all MiVue dashcams undergo a battery of more than 50 rigorous tests to ensure the highest performance standards. Thermal shock testing simulates extreme temperature ranges so that our dashcams function in any conditions, from Arctic cold to desert heat. Vibration testing guarantees superior performance even after hours of continuous vibration. Our integrated environmental testing system is designed to test temperature, humidity, and vibration simultaneously. Drop testing ensures that our products continue functioning even when knocked around or dropped. MiVue motorcycle dashcams undergo extensive waterproof testing for uninterrupted operation in wet weather conditions. Connector and button durability testing increases product reliability and longevity. MiVue equips its dashcams with precision, machine-aligned optics and enhances image quality using 5-axis active alignment. MiVue's EMC testing lab was the first to meet national standards for electromagnetic compatibility testing, ensuring dashcam and other electronic devices in your car will not interfere with each other. Radio frequency testing ensures impeccable 4G, LTE, wireless, and GPS functionality. MiVue uses a continuous monitoring system during all product tests to ensure the utmost accuracy. After the design process is complete, MiVue dashcams are manufactured in Kunshan, China, which features automated production, a rigorous management system, and international certifications. MiVue increases production efficiency through our advanced automated production equipment in every process of manufacturing. MiVue uses precision 2.5D measuring devices to uphold the highest standards in quality control. Our automated production equipment, including surface mount technology, wave soldering, selective soldering, and coating production lines to shorten the production cycle, increase efficiency, and eliminate errors. MiVue's precision PCB laser cutting machine helps ensure smooth edges. Moreover, our automatic labeling machine quickly applies sequential serial numbers. Robotic arms perform high-speed movements with precision, while preventing products from being contaminated by human contact. We ensure clear pictures with our automated lens focusing process. MiVue thinks from the user's perspective and ensures your safety, giving you an enjoyable experience during each of your journeys. The world's leading brand of dashcam. MiVue, it's all about you.